The Lorne of the family.
Go to the kitchen now.
Why, man?
Because I will not go.
Are you mad?
Because I want to go to the kitchen.
You want to go into Kisisi?
Ang kuya kayo start. Ang kuya kayo start. Ang kuya kayo. We are go there. Yung uban po. Ayaw uban.
Why, man? Why not uban?
Because that's library.
Why?
That's library.
I don't love you. I love you, man.
No.
I love you, man. What are you going to do in the Kisisi?
I will go there and this no and this books there.
You want to read books here in the Kisisi?
Ang kagyang kuya kayo maatipasis is that uban.
Oy! Why they not uban with you?
Ang tita po.
And Tito, because...
Because I'm going there by my own.
Can I uban with you?
No.
Why, ma'am?
Because you didn't bring me in the kitchen.
Oh, I did not bring you to the Kitsuna. You like SM na? Kitsuna? You're going to the Kitsuna?